In this episode,
I need help, please.
Oh my God, baller.
Green Bay, Wisconsin. This woman showed up at midnight, aggressively knocking and threatening the homeowner. Let's find out why she's here.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Tell that her fonder to keep her shit out of my boyfriend's phone because next time I pull up, I'll tell her. Dick.
Right now, baller, yeah. This thing is pound down, baller. Yeah, oh my God, baller. Yeah, right, I know. And slang this pound down, baller. Yeah, right, I know, baller. Oh my God, and slang this pound down, baller. I know. My God, my delivery system, I know too.
Plano, Texas. Check out this couple trying every door in the apartment. Bakersfield, California. This lady seems high on something.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
It's the wrong house, lady. Seattle, Washington. Check out this creep coming to the house and acting all weird. Seattle, Washington. He took every package, cleaned out the whole porch. Fort Collins, Colorado. Check her out. Looks totally out of it, showing up at 2 a.m. with some very suspicious request. Let's see how the homeowner handles this one.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, if you're enjoying the video, a like and subscribe would mean a lot to me and really support my hard work. Thanks so much.
Hi. Can you give me a ride home?
No. It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
It's just right up the street.
No. You can, if it's just down the street, you walk there.
Antioch, California. Seattle, Washington.
Oh, wait, this is empty, right?
No, not this. They got a ring camera. They got a doorbell camera right.
This duo was out scouting for packages in the neighborhood and finally found one. But they got spooked by a doorbell camera. Let's see how they handle their little heist.
Hello? Get away from our house.
We're calling the cops. We are calling the cops right now.
Seattle, Washington. Check her out. Can't tell if she's dancing or just high on something. Denver, Colorado. This guy's definitely at the wrong house. Wonder how long it'll take him to realize it.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message...
Oh. Hey, I think you have the wrong house.
Hello, is Stephanie Lammert.
Wrong house. No, sorry, this is the wrong house.
San Jose, California.
Come here, baby. I understand the game. Come here. I have to tell you the game. Come. Come here. This is God's house and my dad's house.
Topeka, Kansas. This dude doesn't like this homeowner's flag, so he decides to throw it. Houston, Texas. Don't keep your package outside. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Seattle, Washington. Oakley, California. This lady's claiming she's the homeowner's daughter, but something doesn't seem right. Let's see how this plays out.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, Mom, it's me. Can you open the door? Yeah, I was just Rachel right now. Hurry up, it's freaky out here. I got GPS on me right now, location on. So hurry up, please. Hi, I need help, please.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Orlando, Florida. This is why you always keep your doors locked, because some people just can't mind their own business. Little Rock, Arkansas. These kids thought they were sneaky trying to break in, but little did they know, this house has a doorbell camera. Antioch, California. Another creep trying the doorknob. Topeka, Kansas. This sneaky lady spots a package and thinks she's got the perfect plan. Well, let's see how her little tactic goes.
Hello?
Does John live here?
John? No, John does not live here.
Oh, do you know if it's next door this way or?
John? Is he an older guy?
Yeah.
He might live across the street, like with all that stuff in the front yard.
Oh, yeah, it figures. Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Seattle, Washington. Trenton, New Jersey. Check out this dude trying to steal a bike, but lucky for the homeowner, they did a great job chaining it up. Santa Clara, California. She rang the doorbell at 3:16 a.m. Let's see what's up with this late-night visitor. Seattle, Washington. Port Orange, Florida.
What? Yeah. Not really. I want you to go straight there.
Orlando, Florida. This lady decided to steal a blanket and pillow? Seriously, can't even leave your cushions outside without someone swiping them now. Meanwhile, she's still standing outside. Lady, it's the wrong house, just go home. Seattle, Washington. Tacoma, Washington. This lady's out here at midnight, creeping around looking for mail to steal. Denver, Colorado. Aurora, Colorado.
Buenas. Buenas. ¿Cómo se llama ahí donde vivo?
What's this guy talking about on the phone? If you recognize the language, drop a comment below and let us know.
Buenas. Buenas noches. Vamos.
Tacoma, Washington.
Growth, and I can see and feel and know what's there through all, and I can know Jesse, and I could say his name, and I could say Ricky, and I could say the same, and I could also think phones.
Meanwhile, same house, different person. Now they're trying to get in. What's going on here? Lancaster, California. She's staring at herself in the car window, talking to herself.
I'll come back. That's all angel. God, I love you. But I wasn't supposed to die.
Albuquerque, New Mexico. Albuquerque, New Mexico. This couple came to the house with some bad intentions, but as soon as they spotted the camera, they quickly changed their minds. Fort Collins, Colorado. This homeowner captured some very loud screaming from a woman late at night. Denver, Colorado. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out my other videos. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next one.